In today's video, we're talking LED bulbs and F30 BMWs. What's up, you guys? Welcome to the video. If you're new here, my name's Josh. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to yet another video. So if you like my videos, make sure to give them a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and check me out over at JG Media over on Instagram. Before we get started in today's video, I gotta say a huge thank you from the bottom of my heart to you guys. Yes, you watching right now, to everyone who subscribed to my channel. We recently just hit 1,000 subscribers, and I cannot express how grateful I am for that. Just my words do not convey the gratitude that I'm feeling for 1,000 subscribers. Is a very first big milestone on YouTube. So now the goal is to double that and as well add a 0 to that on our road to eventually getting that silver play button. I don't know how, I don't know when, but I'm gonna get there one day, and it's with the help of you guys. So I'm so grateful for that. So in today's video, we're gonna go over LED bulbs for the F30 BMWs. So the F30s use H7 bulbs for both the low beams and the high beams. We have a set of LED bulbs for not only the headlights, the fog lights, and the turn signal bulbs. We're going to take you along for the ride, get those switched out. I currently have the, let's face it, very ugly, very dull and boring halogen lights that are just very dull in compared to LED bulbs. So let's head out to the car and let's get started. As you guys can see, the halogen lights, they aren't really the best option or the best looking option BMW can offer. I guess they get the job done, I guess. But as you can see, they're just very dull, very dim. So we're gonna go ahead and remedy that today. So then to access the housing for all of these bulbs, we're gonna go ahead and access this backing plate in the wheel well. It's a little bit of a tight fit in here. So for your guys' convenience, I'm gonna go ahead and not only remove the wheel and remove the wheel liner as well, just for a video purpose, for better visual shots. This is definitely not necessary, as all you gotta do is reach your hand in here and remove this backing plate. And then for the fog lights, there is two 8mm screws right here that you'll need to remove, but we're gonna go ahead and get this wheel off, get this wheel liner off, so that way I can better show you guys what we're doing. Starting with the LED headlight bulbs all the way to the left. These are 12 volts, 6000K, so it should be a very nice bright white light like I have over on the F22. We got the LED turn signal bulbs in the middle, 12 volts as well. then the LED fog light bulbs over to the right, so it should be a night and day difference in comparison to the light output. Here is the panel I was referring to. We're gonna go ahead and remove it just by prying down on the tabs. So one on the left, one on the right. Should just come out just like that. This will give us access to the headlight housing right here, and then the turn signal housing should be up on the right. And then to access the fog light bulb, all we need to do is remove this 8mm here, this 8mm here, pull out the lining a little bit. It gives us full access, but like I said, I'm just gonna take out the entire liner, give us some better viewing. So let's continue on with the process. So then with those two screws removed, as you guys can see, here's access to the fog light bulb. So then for the most important part, the headlight housing, simply just turn, pull right on out. And then using my phone just to get up close and personal, there is the headlight bulb. We're gonna simply just spin and pull. Simple as that. With removal of the OEM bulb, should just be able to pull this right on out. And then same thing with inserting the new bulb. Headlight bulb seated into place, turn signal bulb right here. Simple as a quick turn, pops right on out. And then with the fog light bulb, we're gonna go ahead and squeeze from the bottom, from the very two sides. It should just pop right on out, and then spin this on, right on out. And then with the new LED, go in at an angle, same way we came out, and then spin to close. You can see locked on in. Alright, so let's see what the car's got to say about these new LED bulbs. Some malfunctions. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the fog lights. There it is. Alright, so nothing beamer code can't fix. But let's go check out these bulbs. Alright, hopefully this picks up in camera, but it is significantly brighter over on the left with the LED bulbs. I really like the 6000K headlight bulbs. Are nice and bright, and it's like that white light. Same with the fog lights, looks really good, as well as even the turn signal bulb is significantly brighter. So I mean, these halogen lights, not the best. But at least with the LEDs, at least it's not too dull. Also, just to let you guys know, the high beam bulb is accessible right here. So in order to get rid of all these malfunctions, we're going to go ahead and fire up beamer code. I'm going to be using the Kies Wi-Fi adapter, as this has been the go-to adapter as of lately, as this is compatible with numerous different applications, specifically beamer code and what I use it most for. So we're going to go ahead and plug this into the OBD port. Seatbelt on. Car and accessory mode, so stop start one time. Kill as much power as possible, so turn off the lights, make sure the air's off. So then we're gonna head on over to our Wi-Fi, make sure we're connected to Kies, which we are. Back out, head on over to beamer code. connect. We're in the F30 today. And honestly, I say this every time I do any coding, but I love coding even more than I always used to, being that with the Kies adapter, it's just so quick. By far the quickest adapter I've used to date. Just like that, we're already in. We're gonna head on over to the FBM, the front electronic module, and it's wild how fast that is. Then we're gonna scroll all the way down. So LED conversion. So LED conversion for the low beam, we're gonna turn that to active. Fog lights, active, and turn signal, active. And that should be good to go. We're going to click code at the top right, start coding. So the dash might light up a little bit, might give you a notification, all is well. Restarting, clearing errors, coding successful. And then as you guys can see, no more malfunctions. Car's not yelling at us anymore. We are good to go. Alright guys, so just like that, installation is complete. The LED headlight bulbs, turn signal bulbs, as well as the fog light bulbs, all replaced, all looking night and day better. So it'll definitely help with visibility at night, so I'm definitely content with that. And as you guys can see, it really is that easy. So if you're interested in any LED bulbs, as per usual, as always, links will be down in the description. Make sure to grab yourself some LED bulbs. Make sure to pick yourself up a Kies Wi-Fi adapter as well. Like I was saying earlier, it's compatible with Beamer Code, Beamer Link, Boot Mode, MHD, Beamer Geeks. Night and day difference compared to the old adapters, which were really slow, and the Kies adapter is just lightning quick. So if you made it this far, give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys for watching. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.